Hello. Welcome. Hi guys, we are back again. This time we are here to cover the one-day series between India and Sri Lanka. The T20 series was a bit on off. At the end of the day, we managed to sort of win it somehow. I don't think even the players know how. Rinku and Surya would say that it was because of our bowling, but I don't know about that. But then now the big stars have come back for the one day tour, right? You've got Rohit Sharma back, you've got Virat Kohli back. Everybody was excited to see Virat Kohli play again. But जो हुआ वो was sort of like an anticlimax, I would say. यार पूरा डोमिनेट कर दिया. बेसिकली 3 मैच की वनडे सीरीज थी. 3 मैच की वनडे सीरीज थी. पहला मैच टाई हुआ है और लास्ट के 2 मैचों में मतलब we basically were really off color is what I felt. I think it's still one of my it's I still prefer the ODI format over T20 format for some very weird reason, right? But we just looked really off color, and the batting didn't click. I thought we missed a trick with a couple of bowling things as well. But I want to start with you, Rahul. Just really want to understand where we sort of went wrong as a batting unit.
I think it started with the toss, right? All three tosses we lost. Of course, we can't talk about
Yeah,
it, but it was
yeah.
just like you could see that in second toss where Rohit Sharma was literally like, "अरे वापस जीत गए, कुछ भी
Uh,
चल रहा है ये."
एक घोड़े से दूसरे दूसरे से तीसरे ये कैसे किया तूने वो क्या है ना मैं आई डोंट नो
So I think it started there. Then I think Sri Lanka we just gave them 40-50 runs extra, right? I never thought it was a
yeah,
240 pitch
yeah.
all the three times. Maybe the
Yep.
third one, at least the batting pitch, it was a much better track. But the
Still
first two,
better, yeah.
they should never have gotten till 240, right? I think
Yep.
that was the first thing. Then comes, Rohit Sharma, right? It looked like he just came from T20 World Cup, batting in
हाँ,
T20 World Cup style, right?
हाँ, 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 हाँ.
He looked a class, right? He looked class. I think he had the intent, but he had the right shots, and he was absolutely fearless, right? And I'm okay
Right.
with him getting out because he was
Hmm.
still playing the same way. But I think
Hmm.
where I see was a big failure was Gill could not really, absorb the pressure, especially after that great partnership that he had. Could have
Correct.
continued, right? And the
Correct.
third
Correct.
match,
Correct.
coming down the wicket,
Yeah, yeah,
getting
yeah,
out on the fast bowler, just not the
yeah.
right Gill way.
Very ugly.
I
Very ugly.
Very ugly, and he's
Yeah.
never ugly, right? So he's one of those
Oh, yeah.
classy players.
Yeah. Correct. Correct.
And
Correct.
I think with Virat, I think he was not interested to play, right? Like you look at that series, he's like Virat Kohli. You could see, the DRS. There's a little bit of that anger fight, but you
Yeah.
look at his batting. All three LBWs just didn't
Yep.
look like he wanted to be playing there. Still got
Correct.
58 runs, but it didn't look great. I think LBWs 14 out of 30 wickets that fell were from LBWs just showcased how Indians could not counter the spin. It's really, really
Absolutely.
sad. And
Absolutely.
and that
it's almost like, we are known to be masters of spin playing, Reddy के देश से VVS Lakshman आता है, and he was a master of that, of those of playing against spin. The way he used to play Shane Warne, against the turn, and आज हम मतलब basically plumb in front meet हो रहे हैं. I mean, I think Virat's dismissals, if you look at it closely, basically a truck could have passed between the bat and pad, right? So it was basic mistakes, and I completely agree with you. He came because जीजी ने फोन किया और बोला देखो आना है, मेरा पहला टूर है, तुमको तो आना ही पड़ेगा. तो इसलिए वो आया है, बेचारा लंदन में चिल कर रहा था अपनी वाइफ के साथ, अनुष्का के साथ, बट बुला लिया उसको वापस. चलो कोई बात नहीं. बट यार इंडियन बैटिंग खराब थी, बट यार आई पर्सनली वांट टू टॉक अबाउट श्रीलंका स्पिनर्स यार. मतलब आई आई वाज सो प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज्ड जस्ट टू सी द वे दे बोल्ड. मतलब अनबिलीवेबल स्पिन अटैक जो मतलब आई वाज लाइक यार गजब है ये. यू लुक एट obviously you've got the main spinners who kind of Velalage was amazing. You look at obviously Vandersay in that one game that he came, just top 6 wickets for him. But for me, it was Charit Asalanka. You know, the captain, he wasn't really scoring that well in the tour. The whole tour, I would say, I don't think he had any notable knock, if I remember correctly. But him bringing himself on in those right situations, pretty much bowling 5, 6, 7 overs almost pretty much every game, right? And he picked up wickets, picked up crucial wickets. I think 80 or 90% of his wickets are against India. He doesn't bowl anywhere else. यहाँ आता है, इंडिया के साथ आता है और आके साला यार विकेट ले जाता है. बट I thought wherever Muralidharan and wherever Herat were sitting in whichever part of the world, I think यहाँ से एक खुशी का आंसू निकला होगा उनका, because we've grown up watching that Sri
Yeah.
Lanka spin attack really sort of take over. And Upul Chandana as well, if anybody remembers. I don't know if anybody remembers
Yeah.
Upul Chandana.
Sachin remembers him because he would come ahead
Yes,
and back,
absolutely,
whack him.
absolutely.
No, I think for me, one key thing takeaway was also, I think each of the player are known for how they counter the spin, right? Like Shreyas Iyer comes in front and smacks it. KL
Yeah.
Rahul prefers sweeping it, cutting it, and
Yep.
Pant comes aggressively and
Yep.
places the shots. But I think all of
Yep.
them were not playing their natural game against the spin, right?
Absolutely.
Which is a credit to Sri
Absolutely.
Lankans, right? Because I think they bowled the right length, right
Correct.
line, and
Absolutely.
and then they were bowling at night, right? I know they can't talk about it, but they were
Yep,
bowling
yep.
at night and with the crowd.
Yes. No, I mean, the lens was very key, is what I felt, right? Yeah, but I basically want to sort of ask Vidhi this. Where did we miss? Obviously, they bowled well, but if you're playing international cricket, you want to beat good teams, right? But what do you think was something that we missed? Yeah, did we experiment too much? What were your thoughts when you were watching this? You were like, यार भाई क्या चल रहा है ये?
यार देख लास्ट वीक इंडिया की बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट ओलंपिक मैचेस हो रही थी, तो मैं
हाँ,
क्रिकेट इतना क्लोजली फॉलो नहीं कर पा रही थी, बट आई वाज ऑब्वियसली कीपिंग अ ट्रैक ऑफ द स्कोर, लाइक
correct.
हाउ आर वी
हाँ,
डूइंग,
हाँ,
व्हाट
हाँ,
इज स्कोर वगैरह,
हाँ,
हाउ इज ईच पर्सन परफॉर्मिंग,
हाँ,
एंड आई जस्ट हैपेंड टू सी फर्स्ट 2 मैचेस के बैटिंग स्कोर सब थे. आई वाज लाइक,
correct.
why is Shreyas Iyer and Shivam Dube playing, why are they playing like that? I mean,
हाँ,
पूछता है भारत
Shreyas Iyer is again somebody who you'll expect so much out of in a format like
absolutely.
ODIs, because वो last year ODI World Cup he is the second highest
Correct,
scorer
correct.
for it.
Dream run.
Yeah, dude. मतलब I was a little disappointed by Shreyas Iyer's performance, and second and third match में Shivam Dube also extremely underwhelming.
Yep.
Gill also, I mean, Gill यार, come on.
लेकिन तू कर भी क्या सकता है यार?
हाँ, मैं कर क्या सकता हूँ? मैंने है ना फैसला किया है.
करेक्ट फैसला किया. तू कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. अब मैं बताता हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. मैं ना क्या कर सकता हूँ यार?
I think the whole country collectively wants Gill to play so well, because
Yeah, dude.
यार जब वो खेलता है ना, I still remember the Australia series. The way he was pulling Stark and Cummins, and you could see ये बंदे में है कुछ अलग है. And then last, I would say, a year, I think after the one day World Cup, थोड़ा सा you can see that थोड़ा ठंडा पड़ गया है, right? But रेड्डी यार थोड़ा बता यार, मतलब bowlers का क्या सीन था? Did we bowl well, or I like basically what Rahul mentioned, right? I thought we were 30-40 runs, we'd conceded a little more, right? Is it the captain's role? Do you think it was the fault of the bowlers, or do you think we were overcoached by Gigi? What do you think? What do you think led to our downfall?
The answer is already spoken in the podcast so far. So, Sri Lankan bowlers not only bowled economically, but also picked up wickets at the right time.
Correct.
Our bowlers were economical, but did not pick wickets. So, if you look at the charts of wickets, while the spin dominated, Velalagi, the next superstar of Sri Lanka, is top there at 8 wickets. The Van der Sar is at 7. Aslanka is there at 5.
Yep.
Yeah. And then comes Akshar Patel at 5. Then comes Kuldeep Yadav, our best spinner, at 4. I mean, look at the margin of the wickets. The spinners itself taking the wickets. So I would say, we didn't apply the pressure. Yes, runs were not being scored. Pitches were also like that. Ki runs nahi kar payenge. They just had to hold their wickets and lash out when a pace is on the ball.
Correct, correct.
Kind of missed, a quick bowler. Someone like a Hardik.
I think we missed Jadeja.
Could be.
Oh, it's been a while
On
since I
this-
heard someone say this.
Left the finger spinner were the ones who were making the impact.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And of course, not like, let's not talk about what Van der Sar in the second match, but otherwise, I think Jadeja in these pitches could have really gotten a hold.
Yeah. But I think it's the end of his one-day career. I personally feel so.
Jadeja, I think the point is at the end, Jadeja is Jadeja. I think he'll be back. I don't think Akshar Patel made such an impact that was so, that was something like, oh, let's stand up in the ODIs. I think Riyan Parag looked better in the third match than even Akshar Patel. So, and I think this is not going to be the pitches that we will play again. So that was one of the key
Agreed.
But right now, with the current form that Akshar is in, he's better than Jadeja, is what I feel. I mean, considering all the three aspects of the thing. And I would prefer Akshar and Riyan over having only one Jadeja in the team.
Oh,
I would say Riyan. What about Riyan and Jadeja? And did you say three? Did you just say three sides of Akshar Patel? Did you say that Jadeja's fielding is below Akshar Patel? Just one catch. Just one catch in that Australia match.
Oh, Reddy, this is worse than you picking KL Rahul at the top for strike rates in T20, man. Like
Jonty Rhodes होता तो चप्पल उठा के यहाँ से मारता, पता है ना?
हम बैंगलोर से एक चप्पल मारेंगे तो सीधा हैदराबाद में जाके तेरी कैप तेरा हैट उतरेगा. You were saying something.
So, as much as I like Sri Lanka coming out and performing like this, bringing the team back together, stitching a great side of ODI team that they're building. They, for the last, I think 3 years, 2 years, तो जितना मुझे याद है, they've been a side जिसके against records बन रहे थे हर टीम के.
Correct.
So this series was I mean, I'll take it as a good, humbling series for India. We need to get our things in place before the.
We don't have any one days. We don't have any one days.
Exactly.
Yeah. Was this the only one-day series in the whole year? I don't remember another one-day series after the World Cup के बाद. I think एक series हुई होगी. And then next year हम Champions Trophy खेल रहे हैं. तो guys थोड़ा सा weird लग रहा है, but anyways, this was the first look of Gautam Gambhir as a coach, and to be fair, personally, and this is where I want to end the podcast as well, that personally, we've only seen him in the IPL, right? Obviously it's an exciting this thing. He's an enigma in itself, मतलब अलग ही बंदा है वो, very very headstrong and stuff like that. But I personally feel not just for the team, but this was also a wake-up call for Gautam Gambhir. Obviously first series, so gonna let him off the hook, right? A lot of players themselves weren't interested, but I think he now realizes that in international cricket, the coach of the Indian cricket team is the toughest role possible. I don't think there's any other job in the entire world, in the cricketing world, that is tougher than the job of the Indian national team's coach. So, I mean, that's where I want to end. I really hope that, obviously up next, Bangladesh, what time hai abhi? But basically, we've got the girls playing. World Cup आ रहा है अभी, so we are going to be watching that as well. But the men's team is, I think India Bangladesh का series है. Someone, I think Khush had asked, or who had asked before the podcast began, कि बांग्लादेश क्या है, कोई टीम है क्या, कैसा खेलती है यार. ये हम ना श्रीलंका के लिए पहले बोलते थे, and लाओ देख लिया हमने क्या हुआ.
I think the question was कि बांग्लादेश है या अब उसका नाम ही चेंज हो गया है. The political environment was what Kush was referring to.
I know. I'm just picking on him. Anything to pick on Khush. Anything to pick on Khush. But anyways, thank you so much for joining, guys. It was great fun. I mean, not fun, but it was great talking to you guys. But not great talking about what happened in the tour. We are going to be rooting for Neeraj Chopra today. I really hope he brings the gold. Yeah, see you guys soon with more episodes from Cricket Panchayat. That's it from our side, guys. Thank you so much and have a great time. Bye bye.